Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to tag someone on Facebook story. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, open your Facebook application, then tap on create story, select a photo, and now click on this see more option, tag people, select that profile whom you want to tag, or you can search a particular profile using this search box. So I'm going to select this profile and then click on done. You can move the tag and you can make it bigger and smaller. So this is how we can tag someone on Facebook story. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unmute it. Thank you for watching.